Today, our group will present about evaluation and analysis of Aeon Bank Malaysia Berhad for the subject FIN435 Financial Market and Banking Services. The purpose of this presentation is to evaluate Aeon Bank from different aspects including its background, product and services, impact of digitalization, and financial performance through ratio analysis. First of all, I will introduce about Aeon Bank Malaysia Berhad. Aeon Bank is Malaysia's first Islamic digital bank that provides financial services based on Sharia principles. Unlike traditional banks that operate through physical branches, Aeon Bank uses a fully digital banking system where customers can access services through mobile applications. The bank received approval for a digital banking license from Bank Negara Malaysia in April 2022 and officially started its operation in 2024. As a digital bank, Aeon Bank focuses on providing easier, faster, and more convenient banking services to customers through technology. Besides that, Aeon Bank is also a member of Perbadanan Insurance Deposit Malaysia, also known as PIDM. This provides protection and confidence to customers regarding their deposit. Moving to the history and background, Aeon Bank was established under the Aeon Group ecosystem. The bank is owned through a joint venture between Aeon Financial Service Co. Ltd. from Japan and Aeon Credit Services Malaysia Berhad. The connection with the Aeon Group gives the bank an advantage because Aeon already has a strong customer base through its retail businesses, shopping malls, and financial services. In terms of organizational structure, Aeon Bank is managed by the Board of Directors, Sharia Committee, and Senior Management Team. The Board of Directors is responsible for the strategic direction of the bank, while the Sharia Committee ensures that all banking activities comply with Islamic principles. For market positioning, Aeon Bank positions itself as a modern and inclusive financial institution. The bank focuses on serving everyday consumers, small businesses, and communities that may have limited access to traditional banking services. By combining digital technology with the Aeon ecosystem, the bank aims to provide simple, accessible, and Sharia-compliant banking solutions. Next, I now will explain about the products and services offered by Aeon Bank and how digitalization has impacted the banking industry.
Next, I will explain about the products and services provided by Aeon Bank. As an Islamic digital bank, Aeon Bank provides several Sharia compliance products designed for both personal and business customers. The first product is Saving Account I. This product allows customers to save money digitally while receiving competitive profit rates. Customers can manage their savings easily without needing to visit a physical branch. The second product is the Aeon Bank X Visa Debit Card I. This debit card provides customers with a secure and convenient payment method. It supports cashless transactions and allows users to make payment easily through digital platforms. The third product is Saving Pots. This feature helps customers manage their financial goals by creating separate saving categories. For example, customers can save for emergencies, traveling, or future needs. This encourages better financial planning habits. Besides personal banking services, Aeon Bank also provides Aeon Bank Biz, which focuses on supporting business customers, especially small and medium enterprises. The benefit of Aeon Bank's product include a fully digital registration process, real-time spending information, duit now transfer facilities, and QR payment option. Customers also receive deposit protection up to RM250,000 through PIDM, which increases customer confidence. However, there are also several potential drawbacks. Since Aeon Bank operates fully digitally, customers depend heavily on internet connection and smartphone availability. Any technical issue may affect access to banking services. Furthermore, because there are no physical branches, some customers may prefer traditional face-to-face assistance when facing banking problems. Moving to the impact of digitalization, Digital banking has changed the way customers manage their finances. Nowadays, customers prefer mobile banking because it provides faster access to account information, payment and financial tracking anytime and anywhere. Cashless transaction, QR payment and digital debit cards have become more common in daily activities. From the banking industry perspective, digitalization also improves operational efficiency. Digital banks use technologies such as cloud system and artificial intelligence to provide faster services and reduce costs. This development has increased competition between digital banks and traditional banks while also improving financial inclusion by providing bank access to more communities.
Next, I will explain about the financial performance evaluation of Aeon Bank focusing on profitability ratios. Financial ratios analysis is important because it helps us understand the financial condition and the performance of the banks. The first ratio is return on asset or ROA. ROA measures how efficiently a bank uses its asset to generate profit. Based on our analysis, Aeon Bank ROA decreased from 28.90% in 2024 to 20.11% in 2025. Although the bank's net profit increased from RM 85.843 million to RM 136.662 million, the total asset also increased significantly. The reason why ROA decreased is because asset growth was faster compared to profit growth. This shows that Aeon Bank is still developing its ability to generate higher returns from its growing asset. The second ratio is return on equity or ROE. ROE measures how effectively a bank uses shareholders' funds to generate profit. Aeon Bank's ROE increased from 34.52% in 2024 to 43.79% in 2025. This improvement indicates that the bank became more effective in generating returns for shareholders. For a new digital bank, this is a positive sign because it shows better utilization of capital and may increase investor confidence. Next, it is the analysis of financial spread. The financial spread decreased from negative 1.60% in 2024 to negative 2.23% in 2025. This has happened because the profit rate paid to depositor was higher compared to the income generated from loans and investment. However, this situation is common for a new digital bank because Aeon Bank is still attracting customers by offering competitive profit rates while its financing activities are still at an early stage. Lastly, we look at the net interest margin or NIM. The NIM decreased from 1.05% in 2024 to negative 0.20% in 2025. This shows that the bank financing costs increased faster than its income. Overall, the profitability analysis shows that Aeon Bank has strong potential but still needs time to improve its income generation through wider financing activities.
Next, I will discuss the liquidity performance, asset quality and capital adequacy of Aeon Bank. First is the liquidity analysis. Liquidity refers to the ability of a bank to meet its short-term obligation and customer withdrawal needs. Based on the analysis, Aeon Bank's liquid asset to total asset ratio increased from 56.45% in 2024 to 81.87% in 2025. This indicates that the bank maintains a strong liquidity position because a large portion of its asset can easily be converted into cash. A strong liquidity position is important because it provides financial safety and allows the bank to handle unexpected customer withdrawals. Next is asset quality analysis. One of the important indicators is the non-performing loan or NPL ratio. Aeon Bank maintained an NPL ratio of 0% for both 2024 and 2025. This means the bank did not experience problematic financing and shows that its initial credit risk management was effective.
The loan to deposit ratio also remained very low, increasing slightly from 0% to 0.0027%. This because Aeon Bank is still a new bank and its financing activities are still developing. Moving to capital adequacy, capital is important because it protects bank from financial risk. The capital to risk weight asset ratio increased from 157.09% in 2024 to 158.04% in 2025. This shows that Aeon Bank has a very strong capital position and sufficient financial buffer to support future expansion. The core capital ratio also remains at a strong level, showing that the bank has high quality capital support. For management soundness, the administrative expenses ratio decreased from 99.88% to 93.38%. This improvement indicates that the bank is becoming more efficient in managing its operational costs as it grows. Overall, Aeon Bank demonstrates strong financial stability through high liquidity, strong capital position, and good asset quality. Next, Hana will present the final part, which includes strengths, challenges, and conclusions.
For the final part of our presentation, I will discuss the strengths, challenges, and conclusion of Aeon Bank. Based on our analysis, Aeon Bank has several important strengths. Firstly, the bank has a strong capital position and high liquidity level. This provides financial stability and allows the bank to continue expanding its operations. Secondly, Aeon Bank maintains a zero NPL ratio, which indicates good credit risk management and safe financing practices. Thirdly, the increase in customer deposits shows that customers have started to trust Aeon Bank as a digital banking platform. However, Aeon Bank also faces several challenges. The main challenge is that the bank is still in the early stage of operation and has not fully achieved profitability. The bank needs to expand its Sharia-compliant financing products and increase lending activities to generate more income in the future. Besides that, as a fully digital bank, Aeon Bank needs to continuously improve its technology system and customer support to maintain customer satisfaction. In conclusion, Aeon Bank has created a strong foundation as Malaysia's first Islamic digital bank. Although the bank currently faces challenges related to profitability and business expansion, its strengths in liquidity management, capital adequacy, and digital innovation provide strong potential for future growth. With continuous improvement and effective strategies, Aeon Bank can become one of the important players in Malaysia's digital banking industry. That concludes our presentation. Thank you.